Smashed potato and chicken salad. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Place the potatoes on a baking tray and spray with olive oil spray and season. Bake for 20 to 30 minutes or until tender. Then, use a clean towel to carefully crush each potato. Place the chicken, oil, paprika, cumin, and oregano in a medium bowl and season. Heat a barbecue grill or char grill on medium. Cook the chicken for 5 minutes each side or until cooked through. Cook the beans in a medium saucepan of boiling water for 3 minutes or until tender. Then refresh under cold water and drain well. Combine the aïoli and vinegar in a small bowl. Add 2 teaspoons of water and stir to combine. Thinly slice the chicken. Then arrange the potato, chicken, beans, capsicum, radish, tomatoes, and olives on a large serving platter. Drizzle with the aïoli mixture.